Hey guys, this is a really difficult situation to watch and an easy one to push blame in. But for people who aren't in the aeronautical community, this P-63 is notorious for having horrible visibility out of the cockpit. That pilot, even though it may look like it from some angles, had very, very little opportunity to spot the bomber that he crashed into. Just a really sad situation. It doesn't look like anybody was able to make it out. So, prayers for all the family. And I'm glad that no one ended up being hurt on the ground.